Now we're going to put the topping, the chocolate topping, and it's going to be the final layer on our cake. I'm going to take the chocolate. The cake was in the freezer for about 15 minutes. The frosting is pretty hard and it's not going to mix together. I mean, the cream is pretty hard and it's not going to mix with the frosting. Just going to let the frosting drip down, and we're going to cover the whole cake so it will be a surprise when you cut it into nice pieces to see the 2 layers inside with the cream in the middle. Shouldn't take too long because the frosting, the cream is not so thick, so frozen, and we don't want it to mix together with the frosting. Making sure that everything is covered with the chocolate frosting. Okay, now our cake is ready to be decorated.